Okay, so 9.1. How do we do it? We're wanting to do this particular problem for this sequence. They give us this formula here. Find the first, second, third, fourth, and 100th term. How do we do it? Well, you just simply plug in. So I'm just going to take this formula. First term, I'm going to plug in n equals 1 right there and there. So it'll be minus 1 to the 1 times 9 over minus 1 squared. You're tracking with me? And then that's what? Minus 1 times 9 is minus 9. This is positive 1 because it's squared, and that's minus 9. So the first term is minus 9. So here in chapter 9, we're going to be talking about sequences and series, which come about from formulas. So we just have this formula, and it just wants you to, when it says first term, it wants you to plug in 1. Second term, now we're going to plug in 2. So we plug in n equals 2, same formula. It will be minus 1 squared times 9. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, I'm doing the right thing. I'm just getting confused though. And plugging in 2 down here. Squared. Yeah. I don't know why it just seemed weird. 2 and 2. Yeah, I did that right. Okay. And so that's positive 9, isn't it? Over 4. 9/4. Everybody see what I did there? I just plugged in 2 into both of the in slots in the formula. Now we're going to go on for 3s. Let's plug in n equals 3 here and here. So we'll get minus 1 to the 3rd times 9 over 3 squared, which is minus 9, right? 3 minus signs on the top makes minus, over 9, which is minus 1. Like that. All right, now for 4. Plug in minus 4 in both places. So we get minus 1 to the 4th times 9 over 4 squared, which is positive 9 over 16. 9/16. All right, one more. Let's plug in a 5. Oh no, 100. 100. Now it wants to plug in 100. So plug in n equals 100. So 100 there and 100 there. So we get minus 1 to the 100 times 9 over 100 squared. So what is minus 1 to the 100th power? That just means minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 100 times. That's just going to be positive 1, isn't it? And 100 squared, you can hit the buttons on your calculator, or you can know it just makes 4 zeros because there's 2 zeros and 2 zeros, 100 twice. So that means it's 9, positive 9 over 10,000. So there we go. We found, so this is a formula for a sequence, meaning a sequence of numbers. And you plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 100 to find out the first, second, third, fourth, and 100th terms in that sequence. There we go.